In this video, I'll guide you through how to export contacts from Pipedrive. If you're using Pipedrive as your customer relationship management tool, knowing how to export your contacts can be incredibly useful. Whether you're moving data to another platform or simply need a backup, exporting your contacts is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Pipedrive dashboard. It's important to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to export contacts, as some user roles may have restrictions. Next, look to the left side of your screen and find the Contacts option. Click on it. This will take you to the Contacts section where all your stored contacts are listed. Here, you can manage your contacts, sort them, and view detailed information about each one. Once in the Contacts section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You will see three dots, which is often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional actions you can perform on your contacts. From the drop-down menu, you have a couple of choices. You can either click on Filter Results to narrow down the specific contacts you wish to export, or if you're planning to use these contacts in an email marketing campaign, you can select Import to MailChimp. However, for our purpose today, we're focusing on exporting. Choosing Filter Results allows you to specify exactly which contacts you want to include in your export. You might want to export all contacts or perhaps just a select group based on certain criteria. This filter feature is incredibly handy if you need to tailor your export to fit specific needs. After filtering your contacts, look for the export option that appears. Pipedrive typically offers options such as exporting to a CSV file, which is compatible with most spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This format is ideal for further data manipulation or storage. Before proceeding with the export, double-check your selections to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and initiate the export. Depending on the number of contacts and the complexity of your dataset, this process might take a few moments. After the export is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves downloaded files. Open the file to verify that all the necessary information has been exported correctly. This step is crucial to ensure that no data was left behind and that the export was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Pipedrive. Remember, regularly exporting your contacts can serve as a reliable backup and provide flexibility in managing your data across various platforms. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to export contacts from Pipedrive, and I hope it's made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Pipedrive support or consult their help resources for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching and happy exporting.